Welcome to Drawing for Kiddos. Today, once you get your pen and marker and paper out, we're going to draw 5 animals. Let's start with this goldfish here. So we're going to go ahead and draw a circle and leave a couple blank spaces. We'll draw in the mouth. Now we're going to start to add the lines. And it's more of a tropical fish than a goldfish, but we're going to add this bottom fin. And then we're going to add the fin that goes on the other side. And we'll put a couple lines in there. Then 2 little dots for an eye. Then let's go ahead and add the back tail. Again, just a little rounded shape. We'll add that top fin. Add a few bubbles. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start to add the stripes. So you just go from the top to the bottom. These will be the stripes on our little tropical fish here. Add some lines in for the fins. Good job so far. If any time you need to, just pause the video, draw it, and then unpause so that you can draw along. Alright, now it's time to color. I'm going to speed up just a little bit here, but you can feel free to stop the video, color your fish. And you don't have to use the same colors I use. You can use any colors you want to. I just like this blue and yellow or blue and gold for this tropical fish here. I'll go ahead and color in the mouth. Great. Let's move on to animal number 2. You can either get a new sheet of paper or you can draw it right with the fish. Alright, so now we're going to draw a turtle. So we'll draw an eyeball and then a little box head around there. Alright. Now we'll add the shell in the back. We'll go ahead and add the side of the shell. Great, good job. All right, now let's add the front legs. All right, let's add the back leg. Let's draw the other, let's see, put the other front leg right about here. All right, round the rest of the shell off. Good job. Add the bottom of the shell and a little back leg. We'll kind of add in some little creases because these turtles are old. We'll draw in his nose. We'll make a line for an eyelid and a dot for the eye. Now let's add in the toes. All right, just simple little M's. Little half circles. Now we want to go ahead and start to put a pattern on the shell. You can make this pattern anything you want. We're going to just make some simple cross-section lines here. All right, there we go. Perfect. All right, looks like it's about time to color. Again, pick whatever colors you want. We're going to go with a darker green for the body and a lighter green for the shell, and then a little brown around the edge of the shell. Again, pause it if you need to. Now, let's move on to our third. Animal. All right, and this one's going to be a camel. So we start off with the nose and the jaw and the little ear. Just a line that comes down for the neck. And then a line that comes for the bottom of the neck. And then I'll make that big camel hump in the middle. Let's go ahead and put his legs in. Draw the other front leg. I'm sure you're doing a good job here. All right, now that we have the front legs, we're going to need the back legs. So let's draw the stomach. And now let's add in the back legs. All right, good job. Put a little tail in there. Again, pause the video if you need to so you can catch up if I'm going too fast. We're going to add the nose, just a little V shape. And then we're going to add the camel's kind of an eyelid there. Their eyes are usually almost closed. Keep out all that sand. Line a couple of the toes in, and now it's just about time to color in our camel. Again, your camel can be any color you want to. I've picked kind of a dark tan for our camel here. All right, good job. All right, let's move on to our bumblebee. Our bumblebee's going to start off 2 circles, connect the top, kind of draw the bottom of the face, put in the 2 eyes. Now let's draw in the antennas. All right, now we have our head for our bumblebee. Great. Let's go ahead and add, they almost look like they have a little fuzzy body sometimes, so we'll add just a little bit of squiggly lines as we go around the body, and we're going to do that a couple times. Let's draw in the legs first. I know right now it looks a little bit like a spider, doesn't it? All right, let's go ahead and add in the rest of the body. Remember, some squiggly lines. I think we'll make this bumblebee kind of chubby. Then we'll do a little chubby bumblebee. There we go. All right, added in the wings. Now we didn't put the stinger in. We left the stinger out for this one. But we'll put some little lines to let you know that the bee's flying, and now we're going to go ahead and color it in. And I went with a black and yellow bumblebee. Again, you can go with whatever you want to. You can go with a blue-green, go with a purple and gold, maroon and orange, whatever you'd like to. Yeah, just be creative. You're just learning how to draw these animals. You can start putting them in any kind of scene that you want. Maybe you drew that bumblebee and it landed on the back of that turtle. Or maybe that fish was swimming in the lake with the turtle. All right, let's go on to our chicken, our final animal. So we're going to draw a little round circle line in its tail. We're going to leave a little space and draw the body down and around. Leave another little space right there. That's where we're going to put the wing. So we'll draw in this chicken wing here. All right, good job on that one so far. Now let's go ahead and draw in the feet. Just 2 lines that come down on either side. And then kind of like a little bit of a triangle, or upside down V's or V shapes. We'll go ahead and start to draw in the head. I know that looks a little weird at first, but you'll see as we keep drawing it in. And you might want to pause. I know my hand's in the way just a little bit here, but I want to pause once I move my hand. You can draw in what's missing on yours. You know, we have the little beak. We draw the top of the chicken, and then let's put a little bit of chicken food down there. All right, great. Now, time to color. This one's a little bit easier because most of it's white. All right, there you go. I hope you enjoyed those 5 animals. Continue to practice, continue to subscribe, and follow for more animal drawings.